My name is Charlie Pestridge. I'm a marketing manager and I've been with Koodoo since 2021. One of the most rewarding projects I've worked on with Koodoo was one of the clients we work with. Unfortunately, one of their manufacturing facilities for one of their products unexpectedly went down. So they had to ship in product from all over the world in order to meet the needs of the patients. However, these products had slight variations on the products that the patients were used to. It was an incredibly time-sensitive project, being that no more product was being manufactured for the patient, and this is something that they needed every day, and it was vital to their lives. So to tackle this problem, we arranged for the product that was coming from all over the world to be shipped to a specific location where we arranged and conducted a photo shoot for all of the products, including step-by-step guides so that the patient knew what to expect when their different product arrived. We had to compile all of this into easy-to-use guides and brochures and make sure we were following regulatory, legal, and medical requirements, because all these things were going to be seen by patients, and we had to get it through the quite rigorous approval processes. And then once the photo shoot had been done, we had to compile all of that into the assets that would eventually go into the patient's hands so that they knew what to do when their slightly different product arrived. So the end result was very rewarding. It meant that the patients at the very end of the journey weren't confused when their slightly different products arrived, and they were able to continue their life-saving therapy at the end of the day.